Hello everyone. Today I received my order that I pass. I'm losing my English. That I ordered early this month, and I completely forgot what I have ordered. But let's see what's inside, and it will be a big discovery all together. So, what do you have in here? Oh yes, I have the lifelong vitality pack. So it's something with my husband we're using every day. It's vitamins, minerals, omega-3 and 6, and lots of super food. So it's wonderful to kickstart your day and in the evening to help you relax. So I strongly encourage to have that. Yes, I want to try the toothpaste. So I've got samples of the DōTERRAin toothpaste on guard. Yeah, I also have some deep blue rub because I like to have some samples like this because then I can have them in my purse, and if I feel any pain or anything, I can rub on my legs or wherever I need it. So hello Cyril, hello Christine. It's nice to have people joining. So I have some deep blue rub supplements as well. This is for my husband. He's doing a lot of exercise. He's running a lot. So just to help him to run faster and be even better than what he is, if it's possible. And then I have, oops, it's well packed, but good with paper. Oh yes, I have the surface cleaner, and that's wonderful because they're in tiny bottle. You just have to dilute them. They're concentrated, and they're full of super essential oils that kill germs on your surfaces, and there's no bad products, bad chemicals that can harm your health, and then you reduce your toxin load and doing good to the planet. So I love that. And then as I had a big order, I got my free Japanese peppermint. So it has bits and properties of than traditional peppermint, but a bit different. Let's have a smell. I'm curious. Very interesting. It's like spearmint. It's not as strong as peppermint, but still a bit different. I'm sure I will love to add it in my water. I love peppermint in my water. Give me a boost during the day when I start to feel a bit down. So, in addition to my afternoon water drinks. So I've decided to try the Mito2 Max, which are supplements to boost your energy. Maybe I'll give them to my husband when he has a race. We'll see. What else do I have? And I have some more surface cleaner. So that's very interesting. And last but not the least, so yes, DōTERRAin just launched this month a wellness kit for digestion. So for 3 months I will receive every month a small pack of different products to support my digestion. So in the first month, what do we have? It's a very nice neoprene pouch, and inside you have DōTERRAin, that's full of enzyme to help you digest better. You have some DigestZen and soft gel, so it's like the essential oil, but in an easy way to take, so it's really good. And thanks to that, I can eat the things that normally I can't, like fries, so I love them. What else do we have? It's all well packed, huh? Then, I have the DigestZen, but this time diluted, so I can rub it on your tummy if you have trouble to digest things. Then, maybe I should have opened it a bit before. The peppermints, so good for my drinks. So it's great for digestion when you feel sluggish, when you're a bit heat stroke or things like that. So here in Dubai, we use it a lot. And then there's a strange thing. Let's see, what is it? A tiny box to take all my supplements capsule along the way with me. So good, so I can always have some soft gel, digest, and soft gels and everything with me on the go. Perfect. So that was it for today, and I hope it gives you some idea of what you could get for as doTERRA product. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.